In this video, I am going to show you how you can make up to $660 by playing games on your mobile device. I will also demonstrate how to make money by watching YouTube videos. Actually, you don't even need to watch them. You can let them play in the background. Additionally, I will show you how to earn money by watching ads and much more. I will also present a special offer to join our team and make up to $40 or more. By the end of this video, you'll discover your way to make your first dollar online. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's dive into the world of make money online. The first website we're going to talk about is AmplyCash. From this website, you can start making your first online dollar today. The amount you earn depends on how much time you're willing to spend on tasks, services, and playing games. You can make up to $15 per offer and more globally. For example, if you're in the US, you might expect to earn up to $180 per offer. And don't worry, I'll explore other options as well. To get started, click the link in the description. It will take you to this page, and as you can see, you can win up to $180 for a single offer. But note that the amounts may vary depending on your location. Next to it, you can see the current available offers. In my case, there are over 9,000 offers available right now. At the top of the page, you'll find information about how much others have made, giving you an idea of what to expect. For instance, if I click on a user, it will show their profile and provide valuable information like how many offers they've completed, how long they've been on the platform, how much they've made in total, and in the last 30 days. For example, this user made $83.47 last month simply by completing simple tasks, as I'll show you in a second. Their total earnings are over $800, and they joined 10 months ago. So you're looking at an extra $80 per month, which you can use to cover your internet bills or invest in real businesses like affiliate marketing and dropshipping, which we've already covered here and will continue to explore in depth in the upcoming videos. Let's look at another user, for example. This individual joined 19 days ago and has already made over $56 by completing 22 offers. The location might also play a role in how much you can earn per offer, but I also think this user is focusing on the highest paying offers. They may take more time to complete, but the reward is bigger. Now that we have a better idea of what to expect, let's proceed with the sign-up process. To sign up, simply click this button. It's quite straightforward. Provide your email and choose a password. You can also sign up using your Google account, so just fill in the required information and I'll guide you through using the platform. As a small reward for signing up, you'll receive a bonus. Right here, it provides information on how to check your balance and the methods for withdrawing your money. Don't worry, I'll assist you in using the platform as I mentioned. Your dashboard will look something like this. At the top, you can see the users, and from here, you can choose to see global users or users in your location. Underneath, you can select offers based on your device, whether it's desktop, Android, or iOS. From here, you can uncheck or check the devices like so. In the Offers section, you can search for a specific offer from here. If you're looking for the highest rewarding offers, you can sort them from here, so let me do that. Look at this. You can earn up to $660 by playing this game. That's incredible. Let me click on it. As you can see, it displays the reward you can earn when you complete the offer. And what a reward for just playing a mobile app game. This one in particular is for Android. Right here is the description of the offer, and right here you can find the rewards and requirements. To start, click on this button, and since this one's for an Android mobile app, you have to scan the QR code, install it on your device, and start playing your way to your first dollar. If you click the arrow next to the Offers section, you can see all the categories of offers available. You can earn rewards simply by signing up for platforms, playing games, and much more. Now let's jump to one of the most important sections, which is how to withdraw your earnings. I'll click on Checkout, and right here you can see that the minimum withdrawals for crypto start from 50 cents, and for stake it's 25 cents. This means that not only will you make your first $1, but you'll also be able to withdraw it and start using it right away. We've discussed a couple of platforms that offer a trial for $1, so you can use this for that as well. Another important thing to note is that some websites force you to accumulate a specific amount, which might take weeks or even a month to be able to withdraw. Well, with this platform, you can get your money instantly. Here, you have all the options to withdraw your money. You can withdraw using PayPal, Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and even bank transfer. Gift cards and other options like Fortnite skins are also available. So you can truly go with this website and make your first dollar. I recommend starting with the sign-up offers as they are straightforward. For example, if you choose Sign Up from the Offers section, let me select this one right here. It's for iPhone. Click on that, and in the steps, you can see the instructions. By completing these steps, you can earn a reward of $14.87. And all you need to do is sign up with your name and email, add the extension to Safari, and allow it within your permissions. The last important step is to come back here to the video and comment on how much you made. Another way you can earn money on this platform is through referrals. In Tier 1, you can earn a 5% commission for each individual who signs up using your link, and it won't cost them anything extra. The website will pay you the extra 5%. Your tier and commission can increase based on the amount that your referrals are able to make. For example, when your referral manages to earn $100, you will reach Tier 5 and you can expect to make 9% in commission and so on with the other tiers. So you can tell your family and friends to sign up using your link and you'll earn commissions. In future videos, I'll show you how to effectively share your affiliate link to get more commissions. We also chatted with the support team and learned that you'll receive more commissions after your initial referrals earn the required amount for the targeted tier. For example, when you reach Tier 5, you'll receive 9% for any amount your new referral makes. Speaking of referrals, I would appreciate it if you sign up using my referral link in the description. I'll also try to get you a bonus code for you to use, so check the description before it expires in case I manage to get one. With this information, you should have a complete understanding of this website. Now let's move on to the next website. This one is a bit easier and simpler than the first, but it may not be as advanced. However, with this website, you can earn money by simply watching ads or YouTube videos. Don't expect to make a lot of money doing this, but the best part is that you're not forced to keep watching the video or the ad. You can leave it in the background, and it will still count. This website is called CoinPay. You can always find the links in the description. After clicking the link, you'll land on this page. As you can see, it says, earn crypto by doing offers or viewing advertisements. And here are all the cryptocurrencies that you can earn. To get started, click on Join for free. The registration is straightforward. Just provide your information and create an account, and don't forget to verify your email. After logging into your dashboard, it will look like this. As you can see, I just earned 12 Satoshis by watching 2 minutes of YouTube videos. I let them play in the background. But for transparency, I have to tell you that currently, $1 is worth around 2,786 Satoshis. But you can expect to make around 200 Satoshis per hour, and most of it happens in the background, as I mentioned. I'm going to show you how to get your first dollar in 2 or 3 days at most. However, that's still a bit of time in my opinion. For quicker results, you can explore the offers and services. But for now, let's start with the easy way, which is watching ads and YouTube videos. If you click on View Ads and then Surf Ads, you can see I made the 12 Satoshis by watching 2 YouTube videos. As you can see, it's a YouTube link. So here's a bonus tip. You can hover over the offer name to see the link and know if it's a YouTube video or something else. If I hover over this one, you can also see it's a YouTube video about affiliate marketing. By the way, I apologize for not being able to post a video on our affiliate marketing channel, AmplyCash, but I'm definitely going to start working on it this month. So if I click on this offer, it will open a YouTube video in a new tab. As soon as it starts playing the video, you can go back to the dashboard to see the 60-second countdown. As you can see, I just earned another 6 Satoshis for simply opening a YouTube video in the background. Let me try another ad, but not a YouTube video this time. Let's try this one. As you can see, it started counting as soon as the new window opened, even before the page loaded, waiting for the countdown. And you can see I've already earned 4.3 Satoshis in 20 seconds without even needing to watch the ad. However, if you want to earn more money, you'll need to explore the offers and surveys. So let me click on the offers section, scroll down, and right here, you can see the different services. For example, with this one, you can make almost $1 in 10 minutes. To proceed, click on it. This pop-up will appear. You can click I agree and proceed with the survey. This one is asking some personal questions. You can keep filling it out and clicking next. I'm not sure if you have to provide your real information if the questions are too personal, but if you don't want to go with this survey, you can check the other offers. Another way to make money is through referrals. As usual, you can share it with your friends or family members or drive traffic to your link. To get your referral link, click on Promo Materials, and right here you can get your referral link. I would appreciate it if you use my referral link in the description, and I will also try to get you a bonus or promo code. So I think with this, you get an idea of how you can make your first money online by watching YouTube videos, watching ads, playing games, and doing surveys. And I want you to write your feedback in the comments when you make your first dollar. And for you who have watched till now, let me tell you about our special offer. You can expect to make your first $10 on the first day, up to $40 or more based on your delivery. The basic requirement is being able to speak English and know how to use PC. If you are from the United States, that's an advantage, but not a condition. All you need is to be able to record your screen, and narrate in English. Your voice will not be used in the final video, and of course, you don't need to show your face. The video editing skills are not required, but an advantage. Speaking of video editing, I think I will be covering some ways to make money by creating videos. Let me know if you're interested in that. Also, if you have some skills in using the PC and networking, that will give you a good starting point to join. We will also teach you how to do that so you can deliver more, leading to increased payments. For more info, check the description, but hurry up, as we will choose the first suitable individuals who meet the criteria. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.